In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp to Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way to reference a Google Doc directly inside a ClickUp task so your team can access the document without digging through folders or messages. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to share. Look to the top right and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access the document and how. In this window, you'll see the General Access section. If it currently says Restricted, that means only specific people can open the link. Click Restricted to open the access options and switch it to anyone with the link. This makes the document accessible to anyone who has the URL, which is ideal for adding it to ClickUp where multiple teammates may need quick access. If you want to be extra careful, check the role next to the link settings. Viewer is typically safest for reference-only documents, while Commenter or Editor gives more access when collaboration is required. Once the access is set, click Copy Link. This places the shareable Google Docs URL on your clipboard. Then click Done to close the sharing window. That's all you need to do on the Google side. Now head over to ClickUp, navigate to the workspace, then open the list where your task lives. Choose the specific task you want to connect with the document and open it. In the task view, scroll to the comment area. This is a great place to attach context, updates, or references that the team can easily find later. Click into the comment box and paste the Google Docs link you copied earlier. ClickUp will keep it as a clickable URL so anyone viewing the task can quickly jump to the document. If you want to add clarity, you can type a short note before the link explaining what the document contains, such as a brief description or what you want teammates to review. When you're satisfied, click Send to post the comment. At this point, your ClickUp task includes a direct link to your Google Doc, and anyone with task access in ClickUp can open the document using the link you shared. Remember, because you set the document to anyone with the link, anyone who has that URL can view it depending on the role you selected, so make sure that level of access is appropriate for your team and the content. That's it. You've integrated a Google Doc into ClickUp via a task comment, keeping your documentation and tasks connected and easy to find.